Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Balde again, and today I want to talk to you about the distributive property of multiplication. With this property, we're going to be breaking down numbers. So let's do a problem together. Ready? Okay, eyes up. We're going to do 8 times 5. Now, some of you may already know the answer, which is wonderful, and I'm very proud of you. But for today, we're learning about the distributive property. So follow along as we do this together. I already told you we have to break down numbers. So I want to break down the number 5. When I break down the number 5, I know it's made up of 2 plus 3. Okay? Tiny little plus sign there. I still have the 8 that I need to multiply by. So I'm going to bring that and write the expression this way. 8 times 2 plus 3. But how do I do it, Mrs. Balde? Let me show you. First, we're going to do 8 times 2. So I'm going to write 8 times 2. And I'm putting it in parentheses so we remember to do that together. After we do 8 times 2, we'll add our product to 8 times 3. Okay? I'm going to draw that down here. 8 groups of 2. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I have 2 groups of it. Now I have 8 times 3, so I'm going to draw that down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I have to do that for 3 groups. Okay, if I count these up, I get 16. And if I count these up, I get, what am I going to get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I heard you on the other side of that screen. Good job, boys and girls. Now we keep our symbol of a plus sign. 16 plus 24. Well, you know, step 1, look at the ones. 6 plus 4 is 10. I need to regroup. Step 2, do you need to regroup? Yeah. So I regroup it, and 1 plus 2 is 3, plus the 1 I had to regroup, and I get 4. My answer is 40. So 8 times 5 equals 40. We did that using the distributive property. Now, I want you to follow along as I do another one. This time, we're going to do 6 times 3. Now, we can break down whichever number we want, but surprisingly, I want to break down the 3. I know that 2 plus 1 is 3, so I'm going to do 6 multiplied by 2 and put that in parentheses. And I'm going to add that to 6 times 1 and put that in parentheses. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I forgot to put that in parentheses earlier. Sorry, boys and girls. Just like our number talks, we're bringing it down. Now 6 times 2 is 12. Bring down the symbol, plus 6 times 1 is 6. Now I add it up and I get 18. So the product of 6 times 3 is 18. Nice. I didn't draw a model for it this time. I could have, but to save time, I simply did the multiplication. Now I want you to get a piece of paper and write these down. These are the 4 problems I want you to practice on your own, but I do want you to make sure that you are drawing a picture to match. Here are your problems. Oops, losing my marker. 5 times 7. I want you to break down the 7 into 3 and 4. Then I want you to do 3 times 8. Break down the 8 into 5 and 3. 4 times 6. I want you to break that 6 up into 3 plus 3. And 2 times 9. I want you to break the 9 up, but you choose. Pick any way that you want to break 9 down into 2 smaller numbers. It could be 8 plus 1. It could be 7 plus 2. It could be 4 plus 5. That's up to you. All right, boys and girls, hope you had fun.